Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Linear Wireless. I'm here with another video. In this video I will be explaining how can you find out if your Samsung Galaxy device is factory unlocked. So before you buy it, you just have to make sure that the phone is factory unlocked. How can you find out? In two easy steps. First thing is, what you can do is you can turn it on. I've got two Galaxy devices here, both of them Galaxy Z Fold 4. You can find out by turning on the phone. So let me turn this one on. We'll wait for this to come on, and if the phone is factory unlocked, what it will do, it normally don't show you any of the carrier logo, so it just says Samsung Galaxy and it just turns on. That's the first step, right? So let's see, it didn't show no logo. Now turn this thing on. Okay, so we'll see if the what this phone does. Okay, so it's showing the AT&T. So that's how you can also find out, by just turning it on. Now in some cases you're gonna find out in another way. How can you do that? What you need to do is you need to get a SIM card, whatever the SIM card you have. For example, the SIM card you want to use, Verizon or AT&T, you will take that, and then you will remove that SIM tray, and put it in. Okay, and then you go here, and if it says that service provider update, restart and switch, that means the phone is factory unlocked. It will work, the SIM card will work. Now I will check this on the device that says AT&T, and I have this is a Straight Talk SIM card. And then I'm gonna put the SIM card in there, and then now if it says enter network unlock code, that means this one is not factory unlocked. This will only work on AT&T, but the other device is actually factory unlocked. So that's the two steps to find out if your Galaxy devices are unlocked. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.